Welcome back, my people. Welcome back. I hope you are having a wonderful, blessed day. And I'm going to make it even better for you because we are going to make together today, you already know, some white sangria with a touch of some fruit that you're going to be able to enjoy for this 4th of July and impress some folks and any other special occasion. So let's get started. So these are ingredients, guys: blueberries, strawberry, lemon, apples. You could choose whichever apple of your choice, orange juice, brandy, triple sec, white wine, any white wine of your choice as well, and 4 tablespoons of sugar. So now we're going to go over the stove, and here I have a little bit of the white wine with the 4 tablespoons of sugar, and we are going to melt it. Okay, we're going to create what they call simple syrup, and this is it. Now you're going to let it cool off. While this cool off, we are going to be prepping our stars out of apple. Okay, and you use cookie cutters, and you could get these cookie cutters like Hobby Lobby, Michael's. You find them anywhere. Make sure they are metal so that you could cut very straight lines. So while also we doing this, guy, go ahead and hit that like button for me. And if you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification button that's going to let you know every time I upload a new video, which is every Friday and Sunday except holiday weeks. But look at these stars, guys. Look at how pretty this is. And you could prepare this drink any holiday. And instead of stars, you could cut up other shapes like snowflakes and gingerbread man and all of that. So here I'm mixing my apple with lemon juice. It's very important you put that lemon juice on the apple so they don't turn brown on you. All right. So here I am mixing my melted sugar with the whole bottle of white wine. Again, you use the white wine of your choice, the one that you prefer. I added 1 cup of the brandy, but if you don't like your sangria that strong, you could adjust this recipe: a 1/2 cup, a 3/4 of a cup. All right, I did a cup of the orange juice and also a cup of the triple sec. But again, guys, make this recipe your own. So here I am mixing my apples with my sangria mix, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the refrigerator overnight. We only gonna put the apples at this time. Look how pretty that's looking already, guys. Look at how pretty, So I'm gonna let this sangria set overnight in our refrigerator. So here, as you can see, it's been the next day. And look at those apples. They're nice and white looking, beige looking. They didn't turn brown. Why? Because we put that lemon juice on them. All right. So now that it's time to serve, we're going to add the berries. You don't want to add the berries too much ahead of time because you already know berries will get soggy on you if they sit in liquid for too long. All right. But look at how pretty that is. You're going to impress somebody, guys, for the 4th of July. Again, you could do this for any holiday. But look at how pretty that is. And I'm going to go ahead and taste this sangria for you and give you my opinion. All right. And thank you for stopping by. Okay, guys. So I have the sangria. So let's go ahead and taste this together. All right, we're gonna do this together. Woo! This is a restaurant style sangria. I am so telling you, especially you let it soak overnight like I did with the apples. I didn't put the berries last night, because remember, berries, if you soak them too much, they're gonna get kind of soggy. So you wanna almost put them when you almost getting ready to serve it. But those apples, ooh, guys. Y'all already know I get excited when I taste some good food. Everybody that know me know I'm a foodie. I love to cook. I enjoy my food. So, oh my goodness. I see there on the 4th of July, me enjoying this on the 4th of July with some grilled meats. You know, one of those meat could be that pork chop recipe that I have in my channel. Go check that out. Those pork chop, those pork chop came out really good, guys. All right. Well, thank you, guys. Thank you for stopping by. I always appreciate your support. All right. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe below. Also, hit that notification button that is going to let you know every time I upload a new video, which is every Friday and Sunday. All right, so go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video, which will be when? Because today's Friday, so it'll be on Sunday. I'll see you soon. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy my sangria.